Let us show you how to do basic things in the app, like adding a payment account, a credit card and an expense. Let's start with adding accounts. Open the Balance tab and tap Edit. Now you see an option to add accounts. Select Payment Account. Name it and set an icon if you wish. After that, enter the current balance of the account. You can also select a currency for each of your accounts. Save the changes. Let us add a credit card now. Tap Add and select Credit Card. Name the card. Enter the limit and debt of the card. Let us select an icon here as well. Don't forget to save the changes. After that, let us add another credit card to show you some options. The steps are the same. You may have noticed that a credit card shows your debt, which is a positive number. This time we would like to show how to register an amount on your credit card, which is not a debt. To do that, use the plus-minus sign when entering the amount. For some regions you will see the amount in brackets. At this point we can reorder all the accounts to make it more structured. Use the three stripes icon to move the accounts. We are all set now. All the accounts are added and organized properly. To finish the video we will add an expense. There are several ways to do that in the app. For example, we can select an account in the Balance tab. Now we need to set a category. To make the necessary changes, tap Edit. You can customize the categories all the way you like. Name your category and select an icon. You can tap plus to upload your own icon as well. Save the category. Tap Done and select the category you have just created. Enter the amount and save the changes. Beginner course is complete. Congratulations!